Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber World channel. In this video I will show you how to create a simple QR code generator using Python. By the end of the tutorial you will be able to generate your own QR code for any website or text. What is a QR code? A QR code is a type of barcode that store information like link or text or content details. When scanned with the smartphone, it instantly opens the data inside. First go to terminal and make sure you have Python installed. Then install the QR code library using this command: pip install QR code left bracket pil right bracket and enter. First we import the required library. Import QR code. This library allows us to create the QR code in Python. Next we ask the user to enter a URL equal input left parenthesis double quotation, enter the URL colon right parenthesis dot strip left and right parenthesis. This line take input and remove any extra space. Now we define where the QR image will be saved. File underscore path equal double quotation qrcode dot png. This will be save the QR code in the same folder as our program. Now we create a QR code object. QR equal QR code dot QR code left and right parenthesis. This initialize an empty QR code. Then we add the URL into the QR code. QR dot add underscore data parenthesis URL. This is the data that will be encoded. Now we generate the QR image. img equal QR dot make underscore image left and right parenthesis. This converts the QR data into the image. Next we save the image to our computer. img dot save parenthesis file underscore path. Now the QR code is stored as a PNG file. Finally we print a success message. Print parenthesis double quotation QR code was generated exclamation mark. Okay, I'm going to the copy the location where I saved the generate QR code. Copy, and then I'm going to the paste it into the file path. Paste. Okay, then I change the file path to a double slash. Then I'm going to copy the link on my channel. Copy. Okay, then I run my program here. Let's see. Then I paste the copy the link here and then press enter. It instantly generates a QR code that I can scan with my phone. And that's for today's tutorial. You will successfully build a QR code generator using Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for your watching and I see you on next video. Goodbye.